What if I told you that you could start reversing years of stiffness, aches and poor posture after 40 without even moving? Sounds impossible, right? But today I'm going to show you 5 isometric holds that do exactly that. These are exercises where you don't need to jump, twist or run. You just hold your body in a position, and over time your muscles, joints and even your posture start to change in a way that feels almost like turning back the clock. Let's start with the first one. Think about how many hours you spend sitting in chairs. Over the years, this has stolen one of the most natural positions our body was designed for: the deep squat. The resting squat hold is like hitting a reset button for your lower body. As you sink down, your spine decompresses, your hips finally start working the way they were meant to, your ankles loosen, and the little stabilizers around your knees come alive. Now, if you haven't done this in years, don't worry, you don't need to drop all the way down at first. Grab onto a counter or a sturdy surface, go halfway and hold. Even that small step begins to restore your mobility. With time, you'll be able to sit deeper and feel your body reclaiming what sitting has taken away. But squatting is only part of the picture. Let's flip to the backside, the part most of us ignore. The Superman hold is a simple movement that undoes the hunched shoulders, rounded backs, and tech neck that's become the norm. You lie down, lift your chest, arms and legs slightly and hold. Suddenly, all those forgotten muscles along your spine wake up. Your glutes, your lower back, your shoulders, they start supporting you again. The longer you hold, the stronger the signal to your body: stand taller, resist pain, reclaim your posture. And if the full Superman is tough at first, just lift your chest and arms, or alternate arm and leg lifts until your strength builds. Now let's talk about the center of it all, your core. Not for six-pack vanity, but for function. The hollow body hold is one of the most powerful core exercises in existence. It teaches your abs and your lower back to work as a team. You'll notice the difference not just in workouts, but in everyday life: carrying groceries, climbing stairs, even sitting will feel more supported. Unlike crunches that just hit surface muscles, the hollow body hold digs deeper, strengthening the muscles that stabilize your entire frame. If you want an extra challenge, gently rock back and forth while holding the position. That little movement makes the stability demand skyrocket. Next, we need to train stability in a way most people overlook: resisting unwanted movement. That's where the Pallof Press Hold comes in. It's a core exercise, yes, but not in the way you think. You press your arms straight out with resistance pulling you sideways, and your body fights to stay centered. This teaches your core how to resist twisting, how to protect your spine, and how to stay stable during daily movements like reaching into the backseat of your car or lifting something awkwardly. It's not flashy, but it's a game changer. If you want to make it harder, step out farther against the resistance or change your stance to split your legs. Either way, your body will learn to lock in and stabilize like never before. Finally, we finish with one of the most overlooked but powerful isometric holds: the dead hang. Just grab onto a pull-up bar and hang. That's it. It decompresses your spine, opens your shoulders, and strengthens your grip, all in one go. If hanging with full weight is too much, keep your toes on the ground at first, letting the bar take only part of your load. As you progress, try engaging your shoulder blades slightly to build even more stability. The best part: grip strength, which you're building here, is directly linked to longevity and overall health. It's not just about feeling better, it's about living longer and stronger. Now here's the one thing that will stop these exercises from working: quitting too soon. Most people don't hold long enough, or they try once or twice and give up. But consistency is where the magic happens. Just 3 times a week is enough to start reversing years of damage. So here's my challenge to you: pick one of these holds and start today. Work your way up, add the others in, and in just a few weeks you'll notice your body moving, feeling, and even standing differently. If this video helped you, share it with someone who's been struggling with stiffness, back pain, or poor posture. And if you're ready for a step-by-step routine, stick around. I'll guide you through exactly how to put these holds together into a powerful 3-day plan.